Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find friends you deleted on Facebook. So what you want to do is click on menu at the bottom right and then click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. From over here you want to scroll all the way down until you see this option called activity log. You see it? Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this option called connections. Click on connections and click on where it says manage friends. Once you click on manage friends, all of your friend is going to be shown over here. But we just want to see the friend which we have unfriended or deleted. For that we need to click on filters. And from filters at the bottom we can see this option called categories. I can click on categories and from over here I can choose removed friends because that is basically what delete friend means on Facebook. Click on it and it's going to show you the list of friends you have removed on Facebook. And I have removed only one friend on Facebook and it was in March 30, 2021 and it was Abhinav Timla. So that is basically how you guys can find friends you deleted on Facebook with the exact date on when you deleted it. So yeah, that is how it works. So if you guys found our video helpful on how to guide, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. And you need to remember this. If you have deleted your history from activity log, yes, you can also delete your history from activity log. And if you have cleared your activity log history, then you cannot find any history. So you need to keep that in mind as well.